Hello and welcome back. I'm here where you can get shaman if you have the item, or the item is called Oak's Ladder. So you have the number card to get darker, so it's free Oak's Ladder. Also I have the secret key, this is for welcome. So if you walk up here, this person comes down and you have to get through the thing. Carefully, accidentally, come up. Try to keep it in a nice way. And have a feeling. And then you come over here and you talk to Oak. And you gotta write something on the stone tablet. You just gotta put someone's name. Because 2 people wanted to be in this video, I will put their names down on the tablet. Okay, so I'll put it up like this. E. So yep. Yep. Oh, what's happening? Oh. Look at Shaman. Look at it run off. This bit's gonna take a while. I love it. There's no music at all after the text, and then you ride the bike up here on Seabreak Path. It's the same music too for right down. So you get all the way up here. It's a long way. So up here, you get off, you come over here. I usually save right in front of it. I need to teach my Darkrai strength to get here, so normal battle music. Strange. Bad Shaman appeared. 2 event legendaries are right here on their side. Just because I have a Darkrai, I'm gonna put to sleep. Oh my screen just went off on me. Oh, I was hoping you want that. I don't need Susan, it cost me in the long run. I'm gonna put to sleep. But I think, because of the leech seed, it's going to heal itself every time it gets hit by the bad dreams, so I'll put a nightmare on. The Shaman woke up. Oh, there's magical leaf. It's a cool move. I'll adjust this again. I can't risk it, so... Oh, come on. Actually, I'm just gonna self-reset. Because I saved right in front of it. Pokemon Planet. Change with it. I'm gonna laugh so hard if this is shiny. It's not shiny. I'm not going to self-restart for any of these because I haven't got that much time for bank left. Today I think I only got 4 days left. Oh, I forgot I got one berry. Oh, no synthesis. That's going to be a hell of a move. Let's hope it stays this way. Now I'm going to start chucking Pokeballs at it. Pokeball. It's the best one I can use in this area. Not even a wiggle. Damn it! This is going to take a while. Each time it sleeps, the more HP it loses, the more easy it is to catch. Seriously. Usually bad dreams make it wake up really easy. Half health, football. That's easy. It's the same as Regice. Not Regice, but Regirock. The Gratitude Pokemon. Yes, a nickname. Been wanting one called this for ages. Fluffball. Where's the hell? Where's that? Fluffball. Can I feel off doing? I don't even know if it is for fluff. I don't care. Fluffball has been transferred. And that's that Pokemon, so see you next video. Bye.